A pleasant day to each and everyone. Today, I'm here to discuss and give some important points about the importance of software engineering. So software engineering is important because it ensures the development of reliable, efficient, and scalable software solutions that power modern society. It enhances productivity by automating tasks and streamlining processes across various industries. By following structured engineering principles, software becomes more secure, reducing vulnerabilities and minimizing failure. Proper design also allows software to scale effectively as user demand grows. Preventing performance issues is essential. Additionally, software engineering reduces costs by improving maintainability and reusability while preventing expensive failures. It drives innovation in a field such as AI, healthcare, and finance, making technology more advanced and accessible. And without software engineering, modern technology would be unreliable, inefficient, and difficult to maintain. So that's some important points of software engineering. I hope you learned from that. Thank you.